Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm Taylor if you guys are new here. I'm gonna make it's pumpkin pie banana bread. It literally looks so good. Look at this. I found it on Instagram. Her Instagram is Healthful Radiance, and it's 2 large bananas mashed, 3/4 cup pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of coconut sugar, a splash of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, a pinch of sea salt, baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and chocolate chips. So I just preheated the oven to 350. I thought I would bring you guys along with me here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. It says 2 bananas, but in all honesty, guys, I'm probably gonna use 3 just because why not? I have 3 here and it'll just make the banana bread even like a stronger flavor. But I wanted to get rid of these guys because I literally had them in my fridge for so long. Also, you guys, we have fruit flies so bad and I don't know what to do about it. Like, I literally don't know what to do about it. But whatever, right? But seriously, if you guys have any tips on like how to get rid of fruit flies, please let me know, because it's not going well for me. We tried this, like, I don't know, Austin stuck like an orange in a bowl or in like a glass with some like paper to try and like, you know, get them to go in there. And we did catch some, but some of them just like are still flying around our house and it's really frustrating. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Also, you guys, no, I still don't have a electric mixer. I was literally at Walmart today. Didn't get one. I just got home from work and grocery shopping because I spent all day, what's it called? With the freaking Christmas decorations yesterday, which I feel like you guys are already seeing some of it, which I didn't want you guys to see, but whatever. It's fine. Okay. Bananas are mashed. Next, we're gonna do the pumpkin, and we need to get the eggs, the oil, vanilla, sugar. Okay, so pumpkin. I just got the Libby Pure Pumpkin I got it at Walmart actually because it was cheaper. And like, I don't mind getting the canned stuff at Walmart. So I got that, and I have some chicken marinating in teriyaki right now for dinner, which is going to be really good. It was so cold today, you guys. I was like so surprised. Oh, that was messy. Oof, this stuff, guys. Wait, what does it say? How much pumpkin? 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Okay, so I guess like 3 of these. So 1, 2, 3. I have a little bit left, but not that much. Okay. That's in there. Next, I need 2 eggs. Okay, got the olive oil, got the eggs. Crack the eggs into here. I love baking with you guys. It makes me feel like I have somebody to talk to. It's like a cooking show. It's so fun. How much olive oil? 1/3 cup olive oil. Okay. 2/3 cup, so 1/3 cup. I'm just using this olive oil. It's what I used to cook, so I hope it's fine, but we'll see how this turns out, guys. Okay, so 1/3 cup of olive oil, vanilla. Oh, the oven's ready. Vanilla, splash of that in there. And then how much sugar does it say? It says 1 cup of coconut sugar. I don't have coconut sugar, so I'm just using regular sugar. I have a little bit of this left from, what's it called? The last time I made banana bread, so I'm gonna pour what I have into here, because obviously, like, I don't want to waste it. But, okay. That's gonna be my full half cup. So 1, and then I need 1 more of these. Okay, so that. Also, you guys, these containers I have for like the baking stuff are from the Container Store. They're really good. I would definitely recommend. Eggs, oil, vanilla, and sugar until uniform and well combined. I'm also recording a TikTok, you guys. Because if you know me, then you know that I pretty much always try and make a TikTok. Also, guys, this is what it looks like right now. I try and make a TikTok whenever I can, because I don't really want my whole TikTok being like hauls, and I feel like that's what it is right now. Okay, next up we have, sorry, I'm like using this stupid freaking tripod. Add the remaining ingredients. 2 cups of flour, pinch of sea salt, baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice. Okay. Pinch of salt. Cinnamon. Oh, fuck. This is baking soda. Oh god. I need baking powder. Fuck. I think this is the same. I feel like it'll be the same. Well, we'll see if I like really mess this up, guys. I hope that did not make a difference, because I'm gonna be really upset if it doesn't work out. Okay, 2 cups of flour. Oh shit! Damn it! It's okay. I'm gonna use a whisk anyway. 2 cups of flour. So 4 of these. 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay. That's good. Okay, we got the flour, guys. Now I'm gonna get a whisk out, because I used a whisk last time and it came out like way better. So we're gonna try it again. See if I can get it. All right. Now we're gonna put some chocolate chips in. Give this a little stir. This is what we're working with here, guys. It looks good. It smells pretty good too. But who really knows? Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties with my freaking thing. Okay, let me go get the spray for the pan. Okay. Have the spray for the pan. I'm gonna need a spatula. These are all freaking dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash this one really quick. Okay, hold, give me. Okay, we're back. Let me get this so you guys can hopefully see what I'm doing. Okay. Now we're gonna pour this into this. You guys, this smells so good. Like literally so good. Okay. All right. Here she is, guys. She's gonna go into the oven. I have to put it in the oven now, though. I don't know how long it cooks for, though. Oh, 55 to 60 minutes. Alright, well, she's going in. This is so full, guys. I'm like really scared about that. 55 minutes. Okay, it's in. She's in. Oh my god, I don't want to show you guys my house. But anyway, I feel like the aftermath for this one was not nearly as bad. Like, it's not nearly as bad. It definitely was worse the last time when I did it on the island, but I think we did good, guys. I think it's good. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna clean all this up, and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, I think I'm just gonna make this like a night in my life, guys, and show you guys what I'm making for dinner too. So I have the chicken marinating right now in just like teriyaki sauce. And I bought these Simply potatoes at Publix today. They're so good. And then these green beans I'm gonna make too. The potatoes go in the oven. I don't use this whole thing. I use like half for me and Austin. They go in for 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm not gonna put those in yet, but I'm gonna start on the green beans. I'm gonna use this whole thing just because we'll eat them at some point. I'm just gonna pour them into the pan. I don't have the pan on yet, but I just like break off if any of them are. This is the cheap way to go, guys. Literally snipped green beans, washed and ready to use. So it's like literally nothing for you. And then I'm gonna do some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Garlic powder. I go heavy on the garlic, guys. And then just a splash of olive oil. Sorry, I'm in this like big hoodie. I do have shorts on, but it's kind of cold today in Florida. It's like, I don't know, 60 something. Just a little bit of olive oil, drizzle on there. And then that's it for the greens. Put this away now. My mom literally, this is literally how bad I am at baking. My mom just says to me, so I texted her that I made the pumpkin banana bread. She says, well, that sounds delicious. Is it from a box? That's when you know. That's when you know. No, Mom, I actually cooked it. If you're watching this, my mom watches all my vlogs. Hi, Mom, love you. Okay. Next up, we're gonna do the potatoes. I'm gonna switch y'all around here. We're gonna come over here. I can get this set up properly. I don't know what I'm gonna put them in, guys. I wonder if I can like stick them in a glass container. This is like a Tupperware, but it's glass. And I feel like I might be able to use it. Okay, let me tilt you guys down here a little bit. There we go. I hope that this can go in the oven. It doesn't say it can, but it just looks like this when you take it out. And then, oh shit. I actually might just cook all of this so we have enough for like tomorrow's dinner too. But they're kind of hard when you first get them. I just like mash it in there though. I know this like looks like so fucking weird, but I promise you they're really good. Done. Just go like that with them. Kind of even it out. And then this is gonna go in for like 30-ish minutes. I'm not gonna stick it in yet though. I'm gonna put it right here for now. And then, yeah, I feel like that's it. I have so much editing to do, guys. I have 2 videos that have to go up and I just like, haven't edited them. But it's fine. I want to check on the pumpkin bread though. Let's see how it's doing. Let's take a look, guys. Oh my god, it's like starting to raise so much. I'm like getting scared that it's gonna freaking overflow in there. And I really hope it doesn't, but there's still 37 minutes left, which is kind of annoying, but green beans are good to go. Mashed potatoes are good to go. Chicken, Austin will just throw on the grill probably when he gets home, but yeah. That's it right now. I'm gonna go clean this up a little bit and then we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, moment of truth. Oh my god, it looks so good, you guys. I could die. It literally looks so freaking good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, but I have to like see. I'm on the phone with the pharmacy right now. I have to like stick a knife in it. Oh, it's, I don't know. I don't think that means it's done. Oh, shit. I think I have to leave it in longer, guys. Okay. Those potatoes are still cooking too, so it's totally fine, but, well, 5 more minutes. I feel like maybe I put it in too small of a thing. Maybe that's my problem. I don't know, but I'm sitting here editing video right now, so look out for that. All right, guys, here she is. I did an extra 5 minutes and she literally looks so beautiful. I'm like, this looks so good. I'm so excited to try this. But yep, success, I think. I have green beans going now. Mashed potatoes just came out. And then Austin just has to put the chicken on the grill quick, but. All right, the chicken's going now. Green beans are going good. Guys, I'm literally cannot get over this. Like, it's literally freaking beautiful. But I just put this in a pan, so we'll see how it turns out. This came out so good. I just put it on a plate. But like, look how thick it is. Oh my god, it literally looks so good. I'm dying. So proud of this masterpiece. But I'm gonna cut into it soon. I'm just still letting it cool. It's still kind of hot. You guys, I literally just cut into this. Are you kidding me? Like, are we kidding right now? The texture is insane. It's so freaking good. I just ate a little bit off the knife. It's literally so good, guys. You have got to try this. It's amazing.